Welcome to the first video in the Maths for Chemist series. The first video is MS 0.0 to recognise and make use of appropriate units in calculations. So in chemistry you're going to come across lots of equations, and for each of these equations you're going to be required to use standard units. So you'll be told for each equation what the standard units are. But sometimes the data that you're given is not in the standard units. So you need to convert the value that you've been given into the correct units before you perform a calculation. And a lot of the errors that we see in exam papers are where students haven't converted the units correctly, or they've not tried to convert them at all. So you must make sure that you can do this. So we'll go through the most common ones that you're going to meet. So first of all, temperature. So temperature can be measured in either degrees C or in Kelvin, which is represented by K. And 0 degrees C is equivalent to 273 Kelvin. So to convert from 0 degrees C to Kelvin, we simply add 273. And the other way around, if we want to go from Kelvin to degrees C, we just subtract 273. So pressure next. So pressure is either measured in pascals, represented by PA, kilopascals, represented by kPa, or simply atmospheres, where an atmosphere is the atmospheric pressure on the air. So 1 kilopascal is equal to 1,000 pascals, and 1 atmosphere is equal to 100,000 pascals. So to convert between them, if we want to convert from kilopascals to pascals, we simply multiply by 1,000. If we want to convert from pascals to kilopascals, the other way around, we just divide by 1,000. To go from pascals to atmospheres, we divide by 100,000. To go from atmospheres to pascals, we multiply by 100,000. Kilopascals to atmospheres, we divide by 100. And atmospheres to kilopascals, we multiply by 100. So volume, you should have met at GCSE. So 1 decimeter cubed is a litre, which we don't use in chemistry, but you may use at home if you do cooking. So a litre is 1 decimeter cubed, and that's 1,000 centimetres cubed. A centimetre cubed is the same as a milliliter, so sometimes people use milliliters. So 1 metre cubed is then 1,000 decimetre cubed. So if we want to convert between these units, to go from centimetres cubed to metres cubed, we divide by 1,000,000. To go to centimetres cubed to decimeters cubed, we divide by 1,000. To go from meters cubed to decimeters cubed, we multiply by 1,000. And to go from meters cubed to centimeters cubed, we multiply by 1,000,000. And lastly, to go from decimeters cubed to centimeters cubed, we simply multiply by 1,000. So lastly, we'll talk about mass. So mass, you can either have kilograms or grams. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So to convert from kilograms to grams, we simply multiply by 1,000. To convert from grams to kilograms, we divide by 1,000. So if you're watching the Office Mixed version of this video, then go on to the next slides and do the multiple choice quizzes. If you're not, then this is the end of the video. If there's anything you don't understand, then go back and rewatch the video or use your textbook.